welcome back to Love Pet. Today we're going to be making a little snack, like sushi kind of style snack. And what you're going to need is fruit roll-ups and some granola or Rice Krispies. So begin by opening your fruit roll-ups. And there's 10, so you won't notice it. Okay, great. Put that and then wrap your granola. Why is this hard enough to open than the other one? Super windy here, actually. Wait, let me check something before I use it. Okay. You'll need this. So I think I'm going to put this away. Oh, actually, no. You do not need this. So, put that to side. You need some Sorry, I just wasn't sure about it at first because I thought oh, I'm not gonna do it. I don't think I should. It wouldn't go well. So start by opening your. I'm talking very loud because it's very windy now. Just tired. I'm gonna go outside soon to hang out with my friends, but otherwise, I may want to cut it a little bit, so I'm gonna get some scissors. So that's my kitchen. If you're wondering, I think I use the kitchen in my banana smoothie, so you saw that's where the blender is near the microwave. As you can see, I'm just cutting it, so you don't want to rip it because you don't know where you're going to rip it. Try to keep it steady and slow. We're working our way. Okay. There. Okay. So after you do that, you can eat the rest, excess. And then I'm going to take the cereal, have some cubes, so you can use this thing. I was just going to leave them in there. I chose these because my favorite. I think they're going to go. Yeah, if not, you can always put them off. So, I'm going to show the camera like that. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Now I'm going to roll it in there. Be careful. You're doing this. It's going to break. Sound. Now you have your perfect. Good. It's like a granola. It's granola. So that is how you make a little burrito. And the background is very dirty. So bye.